Now watch me go from rocking this turban to this fabulous full twist out, just like this. Yes, you know that is not my hair, but I am rocking it, so it is my hair. It is actually hair by HerGivenHair, which is a company that I absolutely love. I love the quality of their wigs, and I am trying something new today with this wig. But before I tell you about the wig, let me tell you who I am. I am Karen of Curl House. I am a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of a fabulous product line called the Curl House Collection. And you all know I am all about healthy hair and healthy scalp. So in this video, I am going to give you step-by-step instructions on how you can rock this new wig by HerGivenHair called the 8 a.m. Effortless Full Wig. Notice the key word in that title, effortless, because while the hair is nice and full and fabulous, the wig truly is effortless to rock. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to head on over to the hair salon, aka my kitchen, so that I can prep the wig, twist the wig, and then I'll be back so that I can show you exactly how to rock it. All right, let's go to the kitchen. Now, before going into the kitchen, I had to show you the fabulous packaging of HerGivenHair wigs. As you can see, it comes with an elastic band. It also comes with care instructions and a satin bag. Now, look at this beautiful wig. It has a bang. It is coily and curly. So let's get it shampooed and prepped. Use warm water to thoroughly saturate the wig. Then use a conditioner or a co-wash to gently cleanse the wig. Use your fingers to gently detangle the wig and pull out any shed hair. Make sure you repeat this process of cleansing the wig with conditioner twice and remove the shed hair. And as you can see, there is very little shed hair from this wig. And the next step is styling. Because we're going to do a two-strand twist, we're going to prep the hair with leave-in conditioner. After spraying leave-in conditioner all over your wig, then we can apply a little bit of styling mousse and or styling cream. Remember, with your wig, less is more. You do not need a lot. And twist. All right, she's all dry. The girlfriend is ready. Yes, I said girlfriend. I call my wigs girlfriends. Like, they're with you all the time. They hang out with you all day. They may as well be your girlfriend. So the girlfriend is ready to be put on my head. But let me show you a few things about this wig or this girlfriend that I really like. First of all, let's look at the part. Can you see that part? You see how natural it looks? Very, very natural. The lace looks very, very natural. So guess what? You don't have to put any concealer on the part line. You don't need to do that. It already looks very natural as is. Okay, and then secondly, if we look on the inside of the wig, what I like about wigs is that they do have extra clips on the inside to secure the wig if you want to secure it. Now, I'll be honest, I'm not a big fan of sticking the combs in my hair because y'all know as a trichologist, I'm very, very particular about things on the scalp that may harm the scalp. So I do not put the combs on my head. But what's awesome about this wig is that it has extra straps on the inside where you can tighten the wig. I'll do that in one moment before I put it on. And it has an extra elastic band. How you like that? This band will keep the wig secure on your head. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten. Let me show you what I'm doing. I'm going to tighten it on the inside. And I'm going to put this elastic band also, because I like mine extra secured. There you go. Really, really easy to do. Okay, now for the big reveal. So I'm going to take this turban off. Y'all don't judge me. Just got back from the gym recently. So you can see my hair is in twist. It's just in a ponytail. It's in twist. One of the things that I absolutely love about rocking a wig, this wig, because it has a bang. I don't have to have my hair cornrowed because you're not going to see any hair. That is why it is called effortless. You don't have to blend it. You don't have to blend the edges. You don't have to lay down the edges. You don't have to do any of that. Your hair can look like this underneath your wig. I can just cover it up and I don't have to do much. So my hair is in big twist and I have it in a ponytail. So I am a wig cap type of girl. I always put on a wig cap before I put on any wig, just to further protect my hair. Okay, hair is secured, so let's put her on. I'm gonna show you one more feature. Talk about extra security. She also has an extra drawstring to make sure she stays in place. So you got the elastic band, the inner clips, and the drawstring. You all, and it has combs in it. This wig ain't going nowhere. All right, let me put it on. All right, it is on. It is secure. Part line is in the middle. That's how I know it is in place. All right, here we go. All right, so this is the before. It is super secure. I did not stick any clips in it and it feels very tight. Secure tight, not uncomfortable tight. All right, so you all know I twisted it up. I'm gonna go ahead and take the twist out. The twists are definitely an option. I like, whenever I get a wig, I always twist it. It's just my thing. I prefer to rock my wigs in a twist out. All right, what y'all think? Oh, I am loving it so far. OMG. I am loving the bang. You all know that I have a lot of gray, but guess what? You can't see no gray, which is why I love the fact that this is effortless, no blending. My gray is gone. Not that I don't appreciate my gray, but I don't mind seeing myself without the gray when I rock wigs. So I am loving this so far. So I just took the twist out. I think the shape looks good. Now I'm going to give it a little bit more volume. So even though I'm using my fingers and plucking it out, I want a little more volume. So I had to bring in my pick. So I'm just going to take this pick and I'm going to lift it up at the roots. I'm not going to pull it all the way through. I'm just going to lift it at the root. Y'all, I absolutely love it. I love the bangs. I have bangs. This new look may have convinced me to go ahead and cut my own hair, but I love it. It looks natural. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels secure. It is not going anywhere, and it completely covers my gray. I don't have to blend anything. And something else that I noticed about this wig, normally as a hairstylist, I will go and grab my shears and trim and put pieces in place, but I did not grab my shears. I did not cut anything, which is quite unusual for me. So the shape looks good. No cutting, no trimming, just twist and go. Now, I twisted my wig. You don't have to twist this wig. Technically, you can wet it, comb it out, and just put a little bit of that mousse in it or a little bit of styling cream and let it curl up on its own. But I prefer to wear mine more as a twist out look. So this is my look and I absolutely love it. It is exactly how I wear my natural hair anyway. So I'm loving it. What y'all think? Y'all like it? I absolutely love it, you all. So if this is a girlfriend that you are interested in, I am going to put all the details below in the description so that you can go to HerGivenHair and check it out. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that if you are looking for a girlfriend and if you want something to protect your hair, or if you're like me, if you sweat a lot and you need something to slap on when you need to look cute in an instant, then you would check out HerGivenHair and consider this wig as an option. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like the channel so that you do not miss a video in the future. And until we talk again, stay fabulous.